A Day in July Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I'll show you how you can do and where to find this viral add your sticker, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, and then from there you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. Now from this place you will have to go to December add yours at highlights. So this is the place where you will find that sticker, and if the highlights are not loading, you can check out a YouTube tutorial from my description box below, and it will definitely help you if your highlights are not loading. Now you just have to tap until you find your desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can also find a tutorial that can help you with this problem in the description box below. And also at the end, when I will do the stories, I will show you from where you can get that tutorial from the Instagram app. So keep on watching. Now you just have to go to your uploads and choose a photo from you in July. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want and share this with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can also find a tutorial from my Instagram app, but this time you will have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you will find a useful link. So it says not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link where the arrow points, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So if this video was helpful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can also comment in the comment section down below your questions, what problems do you have, and I'll make sure to help you as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.